To log into the iCabbi driver app, simply tap the iCabbi driver app icon. You are now presented with the login screen. Enter your driver ID number into the driver number field, so that will be a 2 or 3 digit driver number. In the PIN number field, enter your 4-digit PIN number. This will be the last 4 digits of your driver's license. You should not have to modify anything in the vehicle field. It should already match the vehicle that you're in. But just in case somebody had by mistake typed in a different number, let's say we change that, and you try to log in by clicking on the login button, you will see an error telling you that you cannot log into this vehicle. Simply press OK, go back into the vehicle number field, make sure that it matches your vehicle number, and now click on login again. You will be presented with the disclaimer. Go ahead and accept that by pressing OK. And now you are at the home screen. Now to log out of the iCabbi app, simply click on the Busy button on the bottom right corner, and you will see the logout option at the bottom. Click on Logout, confirm that you want to log out, and you are logged out.